Hi dear children, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Welcome to our computer class. In previous classes, we have studied about parts of computer and text paint. Am I correct? Today our topic is desktop. Before studying about desktop, we have to study icons. The small pictures that shown on the screen are called icons. The small pictures shown on screen. What are small pictures? The applications that we often open that are the small pictures shown on screen. For example, text paint, music player, then games, etc. These are shown on the desktop. All these icons are arranged on a screen. That screen is called desktop. Clear? All these icons are arranged in a screen as small pictures. This screen is called desktop. Another 5 points related to desktop are: first one, window. Second one, close and minimize a window. Close and minimize a window. The next one, taskbar. Taskbar. The next, title bar. Next, title bar. The last one is wallpaper. Wallpaper. Then we have to study one by one. First one is window. First one is window. What is window? An opened application is called window. An opened application is called window. How can open a window? Yes, by double clicking on its icon. By double clicking. രണ്ട് പ്രാവശ്യം ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഒരു ഐക്കണിൻ്റെ മുകളിൽ തന്നെ നമ്മൾ 2 തവണ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യുക മൗസ് ഉപയോഗിച്ച്. By double clicking on its icon, we can open that application. That is called a window. More than one applications can be started at a time. At a time, we can start more than one application. When we open one application, it comes front and allows you to start it. When we open one window, it comes in front of the desktop and allows you to start it. Okay? The second one is close and minimize button. Close and minimize button. These two buttons are shown on the top of the desktop, on the top of the window. The close button shown as a cross sign. It is shown as cross sign. It is used to close the window. After using, we can close it by using this button. Then minimize button. Minimize button. It is shown as a minus sign. It is shown as minus sign. This also shown on the top of the window. It is used to minimize the window. Minimize button is shown as minus sign. It is at the top of the window. This button makes the window very small. This button, when we click on this minus button or minimize button, it makes the window very small. Do you understand? Two buttons are there. Close button and minimize button. Close button is shown as a cross sign and minimize button is shown as minus sign. Close button is used to close the window. After the use, we have to close it and it is used to close it. Then minimize button. Minimize button makes the window very small. Okay. Next is taskbar. What is taskbar? Taskbar is the bar at the bottom of the desktop. Bottom level, there is a bar. Bottom of the desktop, there is a bar. It is called taskbar. It is called taskbar. Do you understand? When we opens the computer, the screen show. That screen is called desktop. There is a bar at the bottom. It is called taskbar. Okay. When we open an application like Paint, games, etc., a small window is appear on the taskbar. It is called a tab. Do you know? When we opens one application, its small window is appear on the taskbar. That is called tab. Okay. The fourth one is title bar. Do you hear title? The title bar is the bar at the top of the window. The bar at the top of the window. There is a bar like taskbar at the top of the bar. That is called title bar. We can recognize the application by the title in the title bar. By looking at the title bar, we can recognize an application by the title in the title bar. Okay. Then the last one is wallpaper. The last one is wallpaper. Wallpaper is the picture of a desktop. The picture of desktop. When we opens the computer, there may show a picture of flowers, or our school, etc. You may hear the word wallpaper in the case of mobile phone. When we opens the mobile phone, there may the pictures of your parents or your family or yourself also. This may be as wallpaper in your mobile phone. In the case of computer also, on desktop, there may be a picture. It is called, yes, wallpaper. I hope you understand the topic. Namaste. See you in next class. Bye.